Good morning, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to do another video walk around. We're going to have a look around the 2019 Renault Traffic Sport. It's the long wheelbase model, this one. As you can see, it's a metallic grey. It's the 1.6 125 brake horsepower engine. With it being 2019, it is also Euro 6. Big bonus, it's one owner. It's come direct to us from a leasing company. The Sports, they've got loads of spec on them. As you can see, it's 17-inch alloys. You've got your front fogs, bumpers colour coded. You've got touchscreen, sat nav, cruise control, DAB radio, heated screens, plenty of spec inside. The interiors on these ones are lovely as well. I'll have a walk around. I'll show you in the cabin in the back. It's ply lined out in the rear. Really great example of this one. Everything always looks better on a coloured van as well. So as you can see, seats, headlining seats, all the dash, footwells, as clean as what you would hope to see. So I'll jump in, go through the spec on this one. So as you can see, it's all touchscreen on here. You've got the sat nav, Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your aircon buttons here, cruise control to the right. It is a 6-speed. You've also got some steering wheel controls on here as well. But for what you get on these, I think just as a van goes, the spec is about as high as you can get. Heated screen below here as well for those winter mornings that are coming through now. So as you can see, cab is as clean as what you would hope to see. Now in the back, it is ply lined. So again, very tidy all round. I'll just head around to the back for you. So you've got your rear parking sensors on this one as well. As I say, the Sports do tend to have pretty much every spec you can get. Just looking at it from the driver's side. Really good example all round this one. Now finance is available in all of our vans, so if you do need any help with that, just feel free to get in touch. Delivery can be arranged. All of our vans come with a minimum 6 months MOT and service if required. We're a family business, been here since 1992. If you need any more information, my name's Chris, feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching, cheers, bye bye.